Hello, I'm David Rhodus. I started this project Sumi a couple months ago and want to start showing off a little bit now. So Sumi is a wallet-to-wallet communication system. So in like the most simplest thinking, you can just think of it as an email replacement system. So we have a couple of ideas of what we're going to build. We have built the messaging system initially, so wallet-to-wallet messaging. It's extremely helpful with blockchains. No one understands the complexity of trying to find like another wallet user. So what we can use Sumi for is communicating with any blockchain address. It can be a Polkadot, a Bitcoin, an Ethereum. Today we've built the framework, the protocol and the substrate framework. We're using IPFS initially for the storage. We're storage agnostic, so we're going to plug in several storages, Filecoin, Crust, many others. We'll drop in probably a Sumi storage in the future. Sumi Notes, it's really cool because you can do this like complex spam filtering. So with like email, there's no way to reject messages coming into your email. So we can configure lots of things using off-chain workers to look for token gating, like maybe you need 100 Polkadot to message me, or you need to have a certain NFT so you can build these like small communities for messaging and management. Substrate's really awesome because we can do feeless transactions, so you can stake some tokens and you don't have to pay for transaction fees all the time. So a little bit of the roadmap is like Sumi Notes, what we're going to show today. We're going to release Sumi Analytics in the future, so it's the blockchain analytics, and Sumi Sites with Sumi Names is going to be like a Web3 hosting system. So just to touch on the token, like typical substrate-based stuff, governance for managing the project and the protocol, staking to get free transactions, staking to get access to the data, to host a site, to set your name, just kind of typical substrate-based material. So that's Sumi, and we want to do a little quick demo here. Hopefully the demo gods are going to give us a little love today. So we're going to send a message to New York.
All right.
And I've got a fellow developer here. He's going to help me out send this message. So just fill in a substrate address, and he's going to help me send this first Sumi note. Sweet. So we'll just pop down here and sign a little transaction. The demo gods will give us the approval today. And we type in the right password. Oh, demo gods are not loving us here. There we go. So our note has been sent. So someone in New York should be receiving this, and with a little bit of love, they will send us a note back and tell us, some great information, right?
Is it going to come up when they send a reply then? Or?
Yeah. We're just going to give it a second for that block to get created and them to come up. And appreciate you coming up to take a look at the app. I think it's going to be really useful for governance and a lot of things in the Substrate ecosystem.
So we go to. Okay, this is the inbox.
Yeah. So we've set our names like David Rhodus, Sumi. Here's where I sent a little test message up earlier to New York before, we got on stage here to make sure it was functioning. So let's see, just sometimes you want to reload it because you get all nervous, right? Uh-oh, we got a message here, looks like. So So I don't want to read your message, right?
Cool. Nice. Hey. Awesome. Nice.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you. Cheers. So that's Sumi Notes. We're hoping to grab a parachain slot very soon. And thanks for everyone's time. Cheers.